Leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care of those in your charge. Simon Sinek's quote paints a fitting portrait of the leadership style of the world's richest man, Elon Musk. Born to a Canadian mother and South African father, Elon Musk showed signs of extraordinary intelligence from an early age, creating a video game at 12 years old and selling it for a handsome profit. Today, Musk's net worth sits at an estimated $192 billion, according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, reflecting not just his financial aptitude, but his ability to envision and realize the unimaginable. The story of how Musk taught himself rocket science is legendary. When founding SpaceX, Musk knew he had a steep learning curve ahead of him. The tech entrepreneur devoured books and spoke to industry experts to understand the intricate details of building rockets. His seemingly insatiable appetite for learning exemplifies his commitment to mastering the fundamentals of whatever he puts his mind to. One of Musk's grandest ventures is SpaceX, marking his mission to revolutionize space travel and make Mars reachable. The X in SpaceX signifies exploration and the thrill of the unknown, reflecting Musk's constant drive to push boundaries. Tesla, another Musk brainchild, is redefining the auto industry with its revolutionary electric vehicles like Model X. This symbol of a sustainable future echoes Musk's visionary leadership. Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, has noted, "You can't spell extraordinary without X," and that's precisely what Elon is. This statement encapsulates the admiration industry leaders have for Musk's tenacity and innovative spirit. Despite encountering numerous challenges and setbacks, Musk remains undeterred in his relentless pursuit of ambitious goals. In fact, it's during these times his unique leadership traits shine the most. He's known for working alongside his teams, sometimes even sleeping on the factory floor. His actions underline the famous quote he once said, "If something is important enough, even if the odds are against you, you should still do it." His boldness is evident in decisions such as releasing all of Tesla's patents for fair use in 2014. This act demonstrated a leader committed to a broader mission of sustainable energy rather than personal gain. Musk's unpredictability often leads to controversy, but he turns it to his advantage. His unique personality keeps the public engaged and his companies in the spotlight. Tesla investor Ron Barron once remarked, "Musk's ability to captivate the public and his employees is second to none. It's his greatest strength." Recently, Musk found himself embroiled in controversies, leading to layoffs at Twitter, now rebranded as X, and a dip in Tesla's shares. But even these hurdles couldn't keep him down. Musk bounced back, reclaiming his position as the world's richest person. Billionaire entrepreneur Mark Cuban has commented, "Elon is a fighter. You can knock him down, but he'll always get back up. That's what makes him a great leader." This comeback was mainly driven by Tesla's impressive rally, contributing to a whopping $55.3 billion increase in his wealth. Learning from Musk's journey, we see that true leadership is about being visionary, staying resilient, and leading by example. Whether it's transforming the auto industry or making commercial space travel a reality, Musk's leadership style compels us to rethink what's possible. Elon Musk's visionary thinking revolves around making humanity a multi-planetary species and ensuring the survival of human civilization in the long term. He believes that our future is not limited to Earth, and that humans should become a spacefaring civilization. Musk founded SpaceX, Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, with the primary goal of reducing space transportation costs and making it feasible to colonize Mars. Musk's vision of colonizing Mars involves building a fully reusable spacecraft, such as the Starship, which can transport large numbers of people and cargo to the Red Planet. He envisions establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars, which could act as a backup for humanity in case of catastrophic events on Earth. This grand vision has captured the imagination of many and has rekindled interest in space exploration and human settlement beyond our planet. Throughout his entrepreneurial journey, Elon Musk has faced numerous setbacks and challenges. One of the most notable examples of his determination and resilience was in the early days of SpaceX. After founding the company in 2002, Musk invested nearly all of the money he had earned from the sale of PayPal into SpaceX, risking his personal fortune on the venture. The company encountered multiple failures in its initial attempts to launch rockets. SpaceX faced 3 consecutive failures, and by the end of 2008, the company was on the verge of bankruptcy. However, instead of giving up, Musk pushed forward and managed to secure a crucial contract with NASA to resupply the International Space Station using SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon spacecraft. The successful launch of the Falcon 1 in 2008 marked a turning point for SpaceX, and the company went on to achieve several significant milestones, including the first successful landing of a reusable orbital-class rocket. Elon Musk's risk-taking and entrepreneurial spirit are evident in the way he has founded and invested in various groundbreaking companies. After achieving financial success with the sale of PayPal to eBay in 2002, Musk could have comfortably retired, but he chose to take significant risks to pursue his ambitious goals. In addition to SpaceX, Musk co-founded Tesla Inc. in 2004, aiming to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Electric cars were not widely embraced at the time, and the automotive industry was dominated by established players. Nonetheless, Musk took on the challenge, investing his own money and working tirelessly to make Tesla a leading electric vehicle manufacturer. Despite facing production challenges and skepticism from some quarters, Tesla eventually became a major player in the automotive industry and revolutionized the perception of electric cars. Elon Musk is renowned for his hands-on involvement in the companies he leads. At SpaceX, he is deeply engaged in the design, engineering, and decision-making processes, reflecting his commitment to driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of space exploration. A striking example of Musk's hands-on approach was witnessed during the early days of SpaceX, when the company faced significant challenges in successfully launching its Falcon 1 rocket. After encountering 3 consecutive launch failures, SpaceX was on the verge of bankruptcy. In response to these setbacks, Musk personally took charge of the situation and immersed himself directly in the development and testing of the Falcon 1. Working closely with SpaceX's engineering team, Musk actively sought to identify the root causes of the failures and implement necessary design modifications. His relentless dedication was evident as he invested a substantial amount of his own money and closely supervised the preparations for the 4th Falcon 1 mission. The culmination of these efforts came to fruition in September 2008, when SpaceX achieved a historic milestone by successfully launching the Falcon 1 into orbit, becoming the first privately funded company to do so. Similarly, at Tesla, Musk's hands-on leadership was pivotal during the launch of the Model 3, an affordable electric car aimed at mass-market adoption. The company faced formidable production challenges and struggled to meet ambitious targets while navigating manufacturing bottlenecks. Musk's unwavering commitment to address these obstacles led him to spend extended hours on the factory floor, collaborating closely with Tesla's production teams to identify and resolve issues in real time. Musk's direct involvement in the production process was instrumental in streamlining operations and enhancing efficiency. Furthermore, he introduced innovative automation solutions to boost production capacity and ensure product quality. Despite initial hurdles, his hands-on approach, combined with the relentless dedication of his teams, enabled Tesla to achieve its production targets for the Model 3 and subsequently establish itself as a prominent player in the electric vehicle market. Throughout these endeavors, Elon's active engagement in the day-to-day operations of both SpaceX and Tesla has garnered him a reputation as a highly engaged and hands-on leader. His willingness to immerse himself in technical details, collaborate with his teams, and personally drive problem-solving efforts showcases a leadership style characterized by direct involvement and a genuine passion for realizing ambitious visions. Elon Musk's communication style is characterized by transparency and accessibility. He is an avid user of social media, particularly Twitter, where he shares updates on SpaceX and Tesla projects, engages with fans and critics alike, and responds to questions from the public. While his direct and unfiltered communication style has occasionally led to controversies or market fluctuations, it has also enabled him to build a massive following and a dedicated fan base. Musk's ability to communicate his vision and progress openly has been essential in garnering support for his ventures and maintaining public interest. As a visionary entrepreneur, Musk deeply understands the critical role that a skilled and dedicated team plays in achieving ambitious goals. Throughout his career, he has shown a remarkable ability to attract top talent to work for his companies, including SpaceX and Tesla. Elon Musk's SpaceX boasts a remarkable team of brilliant minds in aerospace engineering and rocket science. Notably, Gwynne Shotwell serves as the company's esteemed President and Chief Operating Officer, COO, having played a pivotal role since 2002 in driving SpaceX's commercial success and operational excellence. Thanks to the collective expertise and dedication of this exceptional team, SpaceX has achieved inspiring milestones, including the successful development of the Falcon and Starship rockets, as well as pioneering the ability to land and reuse rockets, a remarkable feat in the realm of space exploration. Their unwavering commitment has been instrumental in realizing Musk's bold vision of pushing the boundaries of space technology. Tesla has also attracted a pool of exceptional talent in the fields of electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and sustainable energy. One notable figure among Tesla's co-founders is J.B. Straubel, who served as the Chief Technology Officer. His unparalleled expertise in battery technology and energy storage played a pivotal role in shaping the development of Tesla's groundbreaking electric vehicles. Complementing Tesla's innovation-driven team is Franz von Holzhausen, the chief designer responsible for crafting the aesthetics of the company's vehicles, including the highly acclaimed Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y. His visionary design contributions have garnered widespread recognition and acclaim within the automotive industry. Tesla's mission to transform the automotive industry and accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Furthermore, Musk's decision to lay off approximately 80% of Twitter or X staff was primarily driven by the company's dire financial predicament. He asserted that such drastic action was necessary to address the significant negative cash flow situation, which he estimated left the company with only 4 months to live without substantial changes. Amidst the layoffs, Musk endeavored to retain the core workforce comprising the most talented and indispensable team members. His approach aimed to ensure that the critical skills necessary for the company's growth and innovation were preserved despite the financial challenges. The layoffs were a critical component of a broader organizational restructuring aimed at optimizing operations and positioning X for sustainable long-term success and profitability. By focusing on maintaining a skilled and motivated team, Musk ensures that his companies continue to innovate and push the boundaries of technology and industry. This commitment to assembling top talent and providing an environment for ambitious projects has been a key driver of the success and transformative impact of SpaceX and Tesla. Elon Musk's approach to business and innovation is marked by a long-term perspective. Instead of focusing solely on short-term profits, he invests heavily in research and development, pushing the boundaries of technology to achieve his grand visions. For instance, at SpaceX, Musk's long-term thinking has been instrumental in the development of fully reusable rockets, a concept that was once considered impractical and financially unviable. By investing in reusable rocket technology, SpaceX has significantly reduced the cost of space travel and has been able to achieve milestones like the successful recovery and reflight of Falcon 9 rockets. Elon Musk is not afraid to learn from failures and mistakes. When setbacks occur, he views them as opportunities for growth and improvement. He openly acknowledges and addresses challenges, whether technical, financial, or operational, and encourages his teams to learn from these experiences. Musk's rise to the top of the world's richest list is about more than his wealth. It's about the impact he's had on industries, societies, and our perception of the future. His X factor, whether in his companies or the rebranding of Twitter to X, is part of his allure, constantly pushing boundaries and exploring new frontiers. As we unpack the leadership lessons from the world's richest man, Elon Musk, remember, leadership isn't about wealth or power. It's about vision, resilience, and the courage to change the world.